Sebastian, Meyer, and Ruby, and you've joined us in the Comedy Kitchen, where we're known to cook up a little fun. We want to remind you that eat good food each and every day. Yummy, 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 yum. Your waste will whittle away. We consume food for physical growth, strength, and energy. And we consume God's Word to grow spiritually and gain strength and energy. The psalmist says, "How sweet are your words to my taste, sweeter than honey to my mouth." So, eat God's Word each and every day. Yummy, 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 yum. Your worries will whittle away. Come, cook up some fun with us at the Love Your Body, Love Your Soul Conference. Where you'll hear fun trends and spiritual truths about food, fitness, and fashion. Find out more at www.hope4hearts.net. That's hope4hearts.net. We'll see you at the conference where you can love your body.